India has an enormous amount of art spread across the country. No one from this time and age can even imagine how the legends back then had the magnificent vision for aesthetic monuments, or how they acquired huge manpower, especially manpower with the right skills. One such monument is the Hoysaleshwara temple located in the town of Halebidu, Karnataka. This temple is built by the Hosla dynasty in 12th century and is dedicated to Lord Shiva. What makes the Hoysaleshwara temple truly special? It's the intricacy of the stone carvings. Every inch of this temple is a canvas, a showcase of divine stories and legends. The walls of the temple are adorned with thousands of intricately carved sculptures, depicting deities, celestial beings, animals, and even scenes from Hindu mythology. Take a closer look at the carvings. The precision and detail are astonishing. The temple's walls are covered with over 650 different sculptures, and each one tells a story. From the graceful forms of apsaras, celestial dancers, to intricate depictions of battles, the artistry here leaves one in awe. One of the most remarkable features of the Hoysaleshwara temple is its symmetry. The temple is built in a symmetrical, complex structure, with two main shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. Each shrine is surrounded by a series of smaller shrines and beautifully designed courtyards. This architectural design not only emphasizes balance and harmony but also aligns with the cosmic principles of the Hindu philosophy. Look closely, and you'll notice the recurring theme of lions, a symbol of strength and protection in Hosla art. The lion motif is a hallmark of the Hosla dynasty, representing the king's valor and the protection of his people. It's woven seamlessly into the temple's design, capturing the essence of power, grace, and divine protection. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Hoysaleshwara temple. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the wonders of our world.